Blackmagic has just officially released its version 20, and here's my top 5 favorite features of DaVinci Resolve 20. Let's start with number 5. Number 5 is Resolve 20's Animated Subtitle. Before DaVinci Resolve have this feature, I will always have to export my video in DaVinci Resolve and import my video into this script and create my subtitle there. And ever since the latest update, my workflow has been a lot faster and easier. All I need to do is generate subtitle and drag any effect that I like into the subtitle track, and that's it. Fast and easy. Up next is the DepthMap. It's not quite entirely a new feature, but Blackmagic updated and optimized this feature to work better. DepthMap is great for tiny adjustment for your footage to look even better. We can also remove our background using DevMap and add some text behind our subject. Number 3 is the AI Magic Mask. Similar to DepthMap, Blackmagic updated AI Magic Mask in Resolve 20, and now it's called AI Magic Mask 2. AI Magic Mask 2 is now faster and more accurate than the previous version. Just add a point to what you want to track. AI Magic Mask will analyze the image and create a mask around it. Just add more if you need to, and when you're done, just click track and you're done. Number 2 is gonna be the AI Sound Assistant. This feature doesn't just save time, it also makes my video sound even better. Basically what it does is that AI assistant will analyze your whole timeline, figuring out what's your voice track, your music track, and your sound effect track. And AI sound assistant will go in and tune the tracks to your desired platform. And number 1, the AI Music Remixer. I have waited for this feature my whole life. To be honest, I never even thought that Blackmagic will include this feature. Yes, other software like Premiere and Epidemic Sound had this feature for a while, but I just never thought Blackmagic will add this feature into DaVinci Resolve 20. AI Music Remixer basically lets you remix your soundtrack to your desired length just by going to the inspector, the live stream, and now you can change the length of your music to however long you want it to be. There are also a few versions that you can choose to have a little bit of more control. There we have it, guys. These are my top 5 favorite features in Resolve 20. I use it every day and in every project. If you find this video helpful, please leave it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more DaVinci Resolve tutorials. I will be posting video every week, and if you have any question, feel free to leave it down in the comments box down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.